Hello children, welcome to class 4 maths. Children, do you remember what we studied in our last class? Yes, we started large numbers in which we had learned how to write large numbers in figures and in words. Along with that, we also studied the concept of successor, predecessor and consecutive numbers. So, children, in today's class, we will learn to find numbers that comes just before and after and between in large numbers. So, let's start the class. So, children, first we will see how to find the number that will come just before and after. Here we are taking an example. Let's take a number, say 22,200. In the given question, you need to find the number that will come just before and after this number. So let us find out. To find the number that will come just before 22,200, you have to subtract 1 from the given number, as we did here. That is, when 22,200 when subtracted with 1 gives you 22,199. Next, you have to find the number that will come after 22,200. For this, what you will do? For this, you need to add 1 to the given number. So here, when 1 is added to 22,200 will give you 22,201. So the number that will come before 22,200 is 22,199, and the number that will come after 22,200 is 22,201. So children, always remember, in case of large numbers, to find the number that will come before the given number, you need to subtract 1 from the given number. And to find the number that will come after the given number, you need to add 1 to the given number. I hope it is clear to you. Now children, next we are going to discuss how to find the number that comes between. Let's take an example for this. Suppose if you have to find the number that comes between 9,999 and 10,001. To find that number, you need to add 1 to the predecessor. So here, what is the predecessor? Predecessor means the number that comes before. So here, your predecessor is 9,999. So children, you need to add 1 to this number, and this will give you the number that will come between 9,999 and 10,001. So what will be the number? When you add 1, you will get 10,000. So 10,000 comes between 9,999 and 10,001. Now it's time to conclude the chapter. So children, I hope you understood whatever being taught today. Keep practicing the given sums to understand the concept clearly. In our next class, we will see to arrange the largest numbers in ascending and descending order. Till then, take care and happy learning. Thank you.